There are a few different ways that timesheets can be created in Deputy. The most common way is going to be when your employees start and stop shifts from either the time clock app on a tablet, the dedicated smartphone apps, or even from their desktop login. Whatever is used, a digital timesheet is created which stores the exact to-the-minute detail of who has worked, where and when. The Timesheets tab on the web app has two parts to it. Let's first look at the Approve Timesheets option. Here you can see a familiar Locations drop-down and Date Range selector. Depending on what you've chosen here, you'll see a list of relevant employees and their timesheets. If they've clocked against a shift that was scheduled, you'll see how their start and end times and any breaks compared to what was scheduled. You can also see if the staff member has left any comments and the answers to any pre- or post-shift questions you may have configured. Shift questions and how to set them up is covered in a full guide which you can find linked on this page. Timesheets can be approved individually or in bulk per person, and as an administrator, you'll have full control over the editing of any aspect of the timesheet. But rest assured, all history of any changes or updates on the timesheet are tracked in the History tab here, where you'll be able to see what values have changed, who changed them, and when. You'll notice that depending on the method used to create the timesheet, you'll see a graphic that determines either where the person was if they used the smartphone device in relation to the area or location of work, or a picture of the employee if they use the Time Clock tablet app. You can also create ad hoc timesheets, useful if someone came in last minute to help out, or if you're creating an unexpected sick leave timesheet, for example. For an in-depth guide to creating, editing and managing timesheets, including settings for clocking in and out, rounding rules, automation and notifications, please watch the full time and attendance video guide.